What is up, fam? Welcome back to Leslie's Tarot. This reading here is for my Scorpio zodiac signs. Hope y'all are well. Hope y'all are having a fabulous week so far. Start to your week. Happy Monday, y'all. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what messages come out. Let's see. What we gonna do today? Let's start with Kipper. Hopefully the TV isn't too loud in the background. I apologize for the noises and stuff like that. I didn't realize that I put my desk right beside the TV, so it's kind of loud. So hold on. Like I probably should have put the. I don't know. I was trying to do something different to the room, but child, listen. I'm gonna move this room around so many times it don't make no sense. I even want to downsize my desk, but then I'm like, if I do that, then I ain't gonna have nowhere to put my cards. So I just don't know. I don't know what I want to do. Anyway, let me dive in. Let's see. What's going on? Messages for Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio, please, Spirit. I miss my desk being in the living room. That's what I really miss. Because I liked it in there. But unfortunately, some things happened in the background and I ended up having to move back into my room. But anywho, what's going on? Messages for Scorpio, Spirit. What is going on for my Scorpios, please? Messages for Scorpios. What's the energy coming towards Scorpios? What is the energy? Okay, y'all got some money coming in. Unexpected income. So I got money coming in. Okay, a payment, child. Yes. This could be from a main male, or a main male has something to do with this, but it looks like y'all got some sort of payment coming in. What's this about? What's the tea on this? Snow over there relaxing. She's so cute. Alright, let's see. Spirit, clarify this unexpected income. Why is this coming in? What's up with this? Clarify the unexpected income coming towards Scorpio, please. Clarify the unexpected. Giving money. Okay. I guess Spirit said all you need to know is you getting some. Okay. You getting some money. Okay. That's what Spirit wants you to know. You about to get some money. Or some money's coming towards you. Okay. Divination abusers here at the bottom of the deck. Some of y'all, somebody could be abusing tarot too. Moving on. Thank you. Next. Somebody could be abusing tarot. Somebody's like either watching too much tarot or they're like watching some. Oh, duh. Thank you, Spirit. For some of y'all, somebody is watching tarot to see when you're getting some sort of unexpected money or money that's coming towards you. That's what that is. Okay. Moving on. Thank you. Next is underneath it and scarcity tactics. Yeah, and then moves in silence. So you got moves in silence, scarcity tactics, moving on. Thank you. Next, and divination abuser. Somebody's watching tarot to see when you're receiving money. That's what that looks like. Yep, it could be a karmic ass friend, child. No. Can't fully trust them. Tension, secret competition. Keep your friends closer, your enemies closer. This is somebody who's in competition with you, Scorpio. That's crazy. This is somebody that's in competition with you. They moving behind the scenes because they whoever this is somebody who has like a lack mindset. Like, they feel like they don't have enough, or they feel like you got more than them and they can't get what you got. Or this could also be somebody that you moved on from. So they trying to figure out, like, child, like what type of money you got coming in or something. Child services could be significant. This could be pertaining to like child support, or his kids at risk of being taken or is about to reporting something, neglect and abuse. Jeez. Fishing for comments. I'm telling you, this is somebody, they are in your comment section. They are on your social media. They are watching tarot readings. They doing the most to see what you got coming in. Okay, so why does Scorpio? Probably because you need to move in silence as much as possible. But why? What deck do I want to use? Why does Scorpio need to know this? Jeez, Louise, because what the what? Why does Scorpio need to know this, Spirit? Why does Scorpio need to know this, Spirit? With this unexpected income giving money. Why does Scorpio need to know this about this unexpected money giving money? I mean, unexpected income. Sun, paint the sun back into your sky. So you could be focused on you right now. Let's see. Number 11 could be significant. Number 27 or 9. 11 says, don't build a home that will come crumbling down if a single person walks out of the front door. Oh. When it comes down to it, we can't depend on other people to make us feel happy or fulfilled. The fact is that people are going to leave from time to time, and you're the only one who's guaranteed to stay. Take the time to find sources of joy outside of your loved ones. You deserve happiness that lasts. So, yeah, some of y'all could have, like, moved on. Maybe somebody either walked out of your life or you had to move on from somebody that, you know what I'm saying, wasn't making you happy. Some of y'all could be a painter. Maybe you're the only one that was guaranteed to stick something out or, you know, something like that. Yeah, bitch fire, stand up for yourself. Maybe you had to stand up for yourself and you kind of got left by yourself to do something. So this could be somebody wanting to gift you with something, some money or something like that. Or they're trying to figure out where you're getting money from. My right hand started itching too. Like where you're getting money from or something. I don't know, you might have to put over your journal first. Okay. Sorry, y'all know I'm slow. Y'all know I'm crazy. What deck do I want to use? I feel like I want to use another deck. Maybe I don't. Maybe I'm doing too much. Calm down. Yes, hold on. Let's use this deck. Spirit, can you clarify this unexpected income with giving money? Give us some hints. Like, what's this about? How would they know who this is? Or what is it that needs to be seen here with this unexpected income giving money? Well, some of y'all, do y'all have a crooked landlord or something? God, baby, that's the devil. And then he got his tongue licked out like, child. Oh, I just thought a period, period. Anyway, the devil. For some of y'all, this is a landlord. This could be somebody that owns a home, that lives somewhere. Somebody that can control your foundation, your home, something like that. Oh, wow. For some of y'all, this person could have like a lot of kids. You see all them babies on there? Or this could be like an owner. This gives me like a landlord of a daycare, or this gives me like a landlord, somebody that owns a place and they got a lot of kids running around. Oh my God. Child, listen. Something about your own extra triggered family issues. Yeah, there's some family probably looking you up, researching you, studying. Whoever this is, they got a whole lot of kids. Sorry. And I'm saying more than 3, okay? It's 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about 7 kids on here. So this person got at least like 5 to 7 kids or something. Which ain't nothing wrong with the babies, honey. I love the babies, okay? I can't handle a lot of babies at once. I don't see how people do it. Jesus. Because, honey, I'll be about to pull my hair out with my 3. And I got about to be a 3-year-old in January. That's Snow. And then I have my 10-year-old who just turned 10. Whoop, whoop. And then I have my, who's about to be 14-year-old. So, my beautiful twin. But, yeah, somebody got like 7 kids. 5 or 7 kids. Jesus Christ. Chance. Megan. Somebody could like to, lose again. Okay, on the side it says lose again. Somebody could like to smoke, you know. Okay. Somebody could be into that. Somebody could like to gamble, shoot dice, play the lottery, something like that. Could be significant as well. All right. What else does Scorpio need to know? Sorry. What else does Scorpio need to know? What else does Scorpio need to know, Spirit? Mature man. Okay, so somebody mature man could be significant. The number 5 could be significant. And courthouse. So something could be going on with legality. Something could be justice. Somebody may need to go to the courthouse, file a document, statement, something like that. What's going on with the mature man? Why the mature man here? Threatening, intimidated, threatened, and bothered. Okay, well, they got a little pium here. So somebody could have a pium, or somebody could be a registered, they could have a permit to carry. That could be you, this could be them, whichever. But that could be a sign. So this person feels intimidated or threatened or bothered in some sort of way by the justice system. Crying over you, sad, hurt, upset, etc. So somebody in their feelings or in their emotions, okay? Somebody's in their feelings. Fed up. Somebody's fed up with a third-party situation, a triangle. Bad karma is here too. Wow, played out. Something's played out. This is bad karma playing out. Somebody could like The Craft or recently watched The Craft. Somebody could watch like a staticky TV or something. I don't know, like either the antenna don't work or something about static on the TV could be significant. But love triangle, third party, multiple lovers and choices. So somebody, hold on. Okay. So somebody, a third party, somebody's fed up with a third party. I think I just said a third party situation, or somebody having multiple options in love. Somebody's in their feelings. Somebody's in their feelings or upset about a third party situation. Hello? Why are you hitting this so hard? What? Alright, so why does Scorpio need to know this about this mature? Well, give me one more, because this masculine is feeling threatened. Why? Threatened and bothered. Why? Why is this mature man feeling like that? Threatened and bothered. What's up with him? Moving on. Thank you. Next. Because somebody's moving on. Somebody's moving on. That's why this, cock blocking. This is somebody that's been trying to like block somebody, block you, block somebody, block a situation. Like divination abuser. There's the divination abuser. Bad reputation. So somebody's reputation could be ruined, or somebody could feel like somebody abuses tarot. Somebody feels like somebody's clout hungry, says anything, does anything, make ish up and dramatic. Somebody could feel like this person could feel like you're dramatic, or they feel like you're ruining their reputation, or they feel like their reputation is ruined with you. Maybe they ruined their reputation with you, you know. Acting cold. This person could be very cold, very aloof, very cut off. Somebody could have said something real harsh. Somebody could like to eat on ice. Thief, stalker. Somebody could be stalking somebody, marrying for money. Somebody could like got in a relationship with somebody for money or finances. Somebody could be stalking and watching another person. Somebody feels like somebody stole from them or robbed them, or whether it was physical or emotional, like somebody feels like somebody blocked them or something. What's the mature man energy for Scorpio? What's mature man for Scorpio? What's the mature man energy for Scorpio? Potion. Remember to practice self-love. So somebody's practicing self-love. Throne. Your potential is endless. All right. Somebody could like to wear crop tops or black skirts, or a choker could be significant. Somebody could like to wear a choker. Some of y'all could have recently bought herbs. You could be doing like your little witchy stuff. Okay. Look at her. She's like doing her self-love potions. I'm hearing pills and potions. You're overdosing something, but I still love you. Whatever she says. You are familiar with the concepts of self-love and self-care, but either you've never actively practiced them, or they are something you follow behind on. Okay, so some of y'all could have been slacking on your self-love, self-care. Either way, you should get back on track. Keep yourself maintained in all ways, big or small. That can mean calling it quits to take a luxurious bath instead, or that can mean putting on a rosewater face mask and getting out your planner so you can sort out your life before it gets too out of control. So maybe that's what you're doing, or somebody else is doing. You could be trying to plan, you know, like, you know what? Let me focus on myself right now. Let me just move on from certain situations, certain, you know, people. And then we got Throne, because this is what you don't see coming. At the risk of sounding cliche, you can do anything you put your mind to. You are a mighty queen who is complex enough to be both gentle and valiant, just and magnificent, or any combination you should ever long for. The reason they tell you that you cannot have it all is because they are afraid you will become even more dangerous than you already are. So we could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart, and what she say, in your hand. Then you played it to the beat. Hold on. Wait. Ain't that there's a fire starting in my heart? Wait a minute. I gotta look up the lyrics. Hold on, because the song coming to is playing loud to my ear. It sounds like somebody could be at karaoke. Somebody karaoke could be significant. She said, you got a potty? Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. What you are. World so high, like a diamond in the sky. Hold on. Sorry, y'all. She was singing, my bad. I had to jam with her. Okay, so it says, there's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me out of the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your shit bare. Oh, see how I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. And then she says, the scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. You're going to wish you never had met me. Rolling in the deep, tears are going to fall rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand. You're going to wish you never had met me. And you played it to the beat. And then it says, baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one on you. Now I'm going to make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home down there as mine sure won't be shared. Oh, God. Okay, listen, Adele was straight good. Okay, hold on. hold on. Okay. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasured gold. You'll pay me back in kind and reap just what you've sown. Reap just what you've sown. You're gonna wish you never had that. Whatever she said. Okay. Okay. All right. Anyway. Damn, Adele. I didn't know she was that ruthless, honey. I used to hum the little lyrics back then, but I didn't know they said that. Child, I got to look into her music a little more because Adele was raw. Like, bitch, I'm getting my comeback. Okay, anyway. So, yeah. So, you're practicing your self-love, and you're about to get up on your throne, Scorpio. Now, tell me about this mature man energy. Somebody could like to play with fidget spinners, or somebody like to play a game. Oh, shit. Somebody thought they was playing a game. And look at that. Oh, my God. The holier than thou. Somebody felt like they were holier than somebody else, or somebody could have put somebody up on a pedestal, or somebody sat on a pedestal or something like that. And then look at this. Y'all see this? It's like a dinosaur stomping on Cupid. Baby, somebody done put the fire out in love. Somebody could be moving. Somebody was out there trying to catch money. Look, catching the bag, running after money or something like that. Okay. So, yeah, I'm going to leave it there, Scorpio, because it's already a long reading. And my brother back there playing the game, honey. So, internet going to be slow. So, we'll carry over. We'll do another reading. I'll pull some more cards and see what else comes out. So, this is what I have for you. Hope it brings you clarity and insight. Appreciate y'all so much for watching. Catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.